We have some more news as Prime Minister Modi, we hear, has spoken to Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini over phone, congratulating him on his victory. A clear man of the moment there, Nayab Singh Saini gets a call from Prime Minister Modi himself. As we also know that the Modi factor has largely worked in Haryana. And it appears that Prime Minister Modi himself ringing Nayab Singh Saini to congratulate him for this victory. It was unexpected for the BJP to turn this around in their favour for the third time in as per trends and how we see the progress of a political party after 2 terms is usually not so impressive. But the BJP has really managed to gain the unthinkable. It's certainly a miracle on many levels that they've managed to beat their last assembly election numbers as well. At precisely 3:30 p.m., 49 seats that they've managed to win. This is the number that's almost more or less settled. Even if it goes 1 or 2 down, it's still clear that the BJP has won with a majority in Haryana. And we hear Prime Minister Modi himself dialing Nayab Singh Saini and speaking to him, congratulating him for his victory. Asim Basi is also with us for more on that. Asim, there was a question that was asked to Manohar Lal Khattar on who's going to be the next Chief Minister of Haryana, to which he says, thank you very much. Nayab Singh Saini has done a great job. Does not really answer to that question, but what does this really signal at? We know that he has blessed Saini through and through. Saini is known to be a very close confidant of Manohar Lal Khattar. He's been guided and directed largely by Khattar himself.
Yeah, basically when Manohar Lal Khattar was the Chief Minister and the decision was taken to replace him, and Manohar Lal Khattar was the person on the front who basically gave an indication that Nayab Singh Saini should be given the charge of the Chief Minister of Haryana. So he has been guiding him, he has been backing him all the way while making him the Chief Minister, and also during this election campaign talking about strategies and also backing him on all the key issues in the state. So that might also definitely we saw that Manohar Lal Khattar did not answer that question that who will be the Chief Minister. He's a big leader, the Union Power Minister. They know how to be in a protocol. I think he has left it on the party to announce that. Or since I told you that in Kurukshetra when Prime Minister Narendra Modi came, he gave clear indications, and the way he appreciated the six months tenure of Nayab Singh Saini, it was quite evident that Nayab Singh Saini will be given the charge yet again if the BJP comes to power. Although the Khattar has been tight-lipped on this, he skipped the answer on Manohar Lal Khattar, on Nayab Singh Saini, but it's writing on the wall that Khattar has supported Nayab Saini all through his success and growth in the party, and definitely he must have waited for the party to announce through the right channels. Yeah.
Well, clearly what we see here at the BJP is that their organization has worked wonders for them. They're really strong organizationally, and this is well established in Haryana. Despite facing anti-incumbency, they've managed to really strategize and mitigate a lot of that negative feelings toward the party in a way where they addressed local issues to such an extent, infused some freebies, or addressed the agrarian distress, some policies for the benefit of the farmers, exactly the area where the farmers' agitation began. Despite all of that, they managed to counter it with focusing on a micro level on issues that are so local that it may have connected with the people at large.